You must be familiar with some sorting algorithms. But sometimes it's difficult to understand those and it gives us headache. And we feel like pouring some acid and burn down the computer with all those complex algorithms at once. There are many different types of sorting algorithms and each one has a different pattern of working. Did you ever find yourself wondering how cool it would be to realize how they work with the random distribution of those numbers? How good it would make you understand how they work internally if you can see how numbers get rearranged in each sorting algorithm. Just search by words like searching algo animated or animation of different searching algorithms, etc., and you will land on something like this. Here you can find animation of sorting algorithm of each type from famous algorithms like selection sort, quick sort, merge sort, as well as less known sorting algorithms such as heap sort, comb sort, radix sort, etc. If we click on first website here, you can see many types of sorting algorithms listed here. And there are 4 types of datasets, namely, random, nearly sorted, reversed and unique. We can click on first one, that is insertion sort, and visually see how all datasets get sorted. Similarly, we can click on another one. Play all is option to see every algorithm on every dataset at same time. What next? Does your curiosity end here? Really? Do you just read codes from any website and make your mind that you did that code? Not really. It doesn't feel like that. So what do you do then? Ask yourself. Do you want to make those animations on your own, and give them a touch of your own intellectual mind to create a new animation that might be better than anyone on the internet today? I am giving the link for making an animation of any sorting algorithm in just 5 steps for absolute beginners. There is no prerequisite. Link is in the description below. And I will upload a video on that post describing each step very soon. Till then, go check out the blog. Thanks for watching. If you liked the video, hit the like button and subscribe to get latest video notifications. Till then, keep washing your hands regularly and be safe. See you in the next one.